Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to use undo key on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, you need good luck application. You can simply download from the store. Okay, now it is currently my internet is turned off. Okay, just download good luck application, then install Key Cafe application plugin on it. Okay, you can see here Key Cafe. Then go to Key Cafe, then make your own keyboard. I will show you. You can see here, turn on this, then you can simply make it. Here's my keyboard option, edit. You can see here, and you can see there is much buttons like redo, undo, redo, those buttons. Okay, simply copy, cut, paste. Many options is here. I'm also add that to my keyboard. So the use case is simple. Go to some area, then I will delete the fix. Okay, then simply click here. So undo feature is working on Samsung and also other add-on phones. If your phone or keyboard support undo feature, when you connect physical keyboard to your mobile, then use Ctrl Z, also performs same like undo. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.